Parkway Hotel in Springfield Baltimore Pike. Air conditioner doesn't work. I turned it on today. It doesn't work. Won't even turn on. I tried resetting it. Look, they got tape all around it. I tried to reset the test thing. Push this to test it. It doesn't even turn on. Might be one. I can feel the button pushing, but nothing. The remote's not here either. I don't know what happened to that. Oh, probably broke. Doesn't work. Probably somewhere. Nothing in there. Nothing there. There's no remote in here. Checked the bed. Checked everywhere. Power switch is on. This is the one to turn it on. Well, I got in here. That was already freaking there. It's kind of hard to see in there when you're outside the door. You can see him when you're outside the door, but when you're inside the door, I do that too, but now it fucking doesn't make any sense. This room 127 doesn't work. The toilet doesn't fucking flush. This is what it does when you flush it. See that? It's already like that. The seat's completely wrong. Look how big the seat is. You see it goes all the way on the front. See that? See how much room is under that? Wrong seat. Oh, see it? Doesn't flush. This is their shower. That sucks. They haven't cleaned any of that. Disgusting. They charge more fucking money. Look how fucking disgusting it is. It's made by Delta. Oh, they don't even clean that shit. They should. Look, that's it. And it does that all the time, every half hour. It'll try to fill up or whatever. And the inside's all rusted like a motherfucker. Look how rusted that fucking thing is. Look. It's rusted like a motherfucker. Put the camera on so you look how rusted that fucking thing is. Old as fuck. Obviously they don't clean anything. They don't rusted as a motherfucker. Look, they don't clean shit. This just fucking sits there like that. Oh, rusted as fuck. It's like stuck to the wall. Fix your rooms. They're toilets, idiots.